Hello everyone, this is Gomati Shankar. I'm happy to meet you all in a new video. So thank you all my 23.4k subscribers. Keep supporting me, keep motivating me, keep sharing my YouTube videos and YouTube channel to all your known trading circle. So let us quickly start today's Bank Nifty review. So far we saw Bank Nifty review till May 6th. So now we will see the Bank Nifty review from May 7 onwards. So look at May 7. This May 7 Bank Nifty movement is very much similar to May 6. Because in my May 6 Bank Nifty review, I told very clearly CPR is like a home for the candles. CPR is a home for candles. So if candles are inside their home, we should not do anything, right? See, for example, in this lockdown, everyone are inside our home. Okay. Does anyone disturbing us? Nobody is disturbing us, right? We are calmly and we are peacefully sitting in our home. Similarly, candles are inside their home. The candle's home is CPR. So if candles are inside their home, we should not disturb them. Okay, there will not be any moment. So better to avoid trading on that particular time. See here, on 6th, from this particular time till 3:30, it was stuck inside the CPR. There is no opportunity at all. Similarly, on 7th, from morning till 3:30, entirely it is inside the CPR. There is no trade opportunity at all. Here you cannot do anything. Okay, so there is no trade opportunity at all. So totally on May 7 it is a sideways market, no trade zone. Now on 8th May, see, on 8th May it is having a narrow CPR, so we can expect a trending day. Now on 8th May, I told very clearly that if market is going up, that is definitely going to be a trap. Because I have told that in my many of my videos. I am constantly telling that there is no positive news in the country. Still the coronavirus cases are increasing day by day. So obviously market is still weak. There is no sales in any of these sectors. All the sectors are badly affected because of this lockdown. So the possibility of market going up is very less. Now these kind of gap up will happen just to trap the retail traders. See here, green candles are forming. Even in my Telegram channel, I told we can expect some bullishness in the morning. I told in my Telegram channel, we can expect some bullishness in the morning. I told that based on global market performance, because SGX Nifty was positive, all the global markets are positive. So I told in my Telegram channel, we can expect a bullish market in the morning, but be cautious in the long position. Don't wait for a long time. I told clearly in my Telegram channel. People, if you have not yet joined my Telegram channel, please search CPR by KGS in your Telegram app. Okay, open your Telegram app. Just search CPR by KGS, you will get my channel. You can immediately join it. So in the morning, I was expecting a bullish move in market, but unfortunately market started to reverse exactly at R2. This is the power of CPR levels. CPR levels are very, very powerful. Exactly in that particular level, market will reverse or market will give a breakout. Now their market is reversing. Now mark the day low. See here, the first candle low. Mark the first candle low. When the first candle low is broken, see here, the first candle low is broken here perfectly. Okay, but candles are taking support at R1 and previous day high. So we should consider R1 and previous day high also for taking a short entry. So we need a red candle below R1 and previous day low. When you are considering day low, you should consider R1 and previous day high also, because they are also like a giant. They will give support for the candles. If whenever the candles are above R1 and previous day high, this R1 and previous day high will act as a giant. They will give strong support. So what you should do? You should wait for a strong break. So here the strong break is happening in this particular Bahubali candle, hero candle, Bahubali candle. Do you remember? Now exactly at that red candle you can go for a short. Exactly at this particular red candle you can go for a short. Okay, and what will be your target? Your target will be CPR and previous day low 50%, because CPR is very near. If you are going short in this red candle, CPR is very near. You cannot keep CPR as your target. So you should keep your target as CPR and previous day low 50%. This 50% you should keep as your target. As soon as you see this Bahubali candle breakout, go for a short, book your profit at 50%. Clear? So overall on that particular day, market was initially going in a choppy manner. We got a premium decay. Market was very choppy, and then market was falling in the later part of the session. So it was a okay day on 8th May, because it was not convenient to trade. We were expecting some trending market due to this narrow CPR, but unfortunately market cheated us, right? Okay, so now let us quickly see what happened today. So today also global markets are positive. What I will tell is, today market is a replication of 8th May. See here, on 8th May also there is a positive, global markets are positive. Market went up, after that it came down. On today also morning market went up. Okay, it trapped the retail traders. See this green candle. After seeing these two green candles, retail traders will think, oh my god, market is bullish. Immediately they will go for a long position, and see, that is the trap. Okay, for many days I am posting charts in Telegram telling that trap is happening. So don't take long position. I clearly mentioned in my Telegram channel. Now see here, initially market is reversing exactly at CPR and R1 50% levels. Okay, when the day low is getting broken here, see the day low, this particular day low is getting broken in this Bahubali candle, red candle, a strong giant hero candle. You can go for a short there and you can book your profit at previous day low. Exactly at previous day low you have to book your profit, or you can book your profit at previous day low S1 50%. See, market is taking support at S1 and previous day low 50%. Wait for some clear direction when this level is also getting broken. See here, market is going in a sideways range. Now this level is getting broken here. Once again you can go for a short entry. Okay, once again you can go for a short entry, because see here, support is turning into a resistance. So you can go for a short there and book your profit at S1 S2 50%. Today morning also I told to my students that market is going to fall. Okay, so these are pure price action predictions. If you are very strong in candlestick analysis, if you are very strong in trading psychology, easily you can predict the market well before others. Clear? So today also market went down beautifully. If you are following my simple trick, see Bahubali candle breakouts. Okay, in the morning there is a Bahubali candle breakout. Okay, hero candle. Now in the afternoon support is turning into a resistance. If you are following my simple tricks also, you can easily survive. So support is turning into a resistance. Then S1, S2 50% is the target. That's all. You are done. So this is how you have to analyze the market. This is how you have to analyze the market, and you should be very quick in executing the orders. Clear? Now let us see what will happen tomorrow. See, tomorrow we are having a descending CPR. Since market has fallen heavily today, obviously we will get a descending CPR. Still market is weak. Since today it was a trending day, we can expect less trending day tomorrow. Anyways, market is going to be sideways or downtrend only. Anyways, market is going to be sideways or downtrend. So better wait for clear direction of the market. Don't go long positions unnecessarily. Okay. If you are getting any short opportunity, you can take a short entry. Clear? So that's all, my dear people. If you like this video, share it to your trading circle. If you like my teaching style, come on, you can purchase my pre-recorded course and you can start learning from now onwards. So thank you all. Bye.